Here we're in ChatGPT. So if you open ChatGPT, you'll have to register with your email address, and then it'll bring you into a page like this. So in ChatGPT, you have to prompt it with the words and the language that you want for it to be able to give back to you something similar to the way you normally talk. So if I wanted to ask it to create a caption for Instagram or TikTok based on one of my lash courses, for instance, I would say to it, create, I'll type in create a TikTok caption for the Sarah Naylor Academy announcing an upcoming lash course that starts on September 2nd in Tala, includes SEO optimization and hashtags. Click on the green arrow and now it will start to create the caption for your TikTok post. So it says, unveiling the Glamour Galore Lash Course. Join us at the Sarah Naylor Academy and transform your lash game from basic to bold. Get ready to learn the art of luscious lashes starting September 2nd in Tala. Elevate your lash mastery with our expert instructors, blah, blah, blah. And then we have all of the hashtags that we need. And then it's saying to provide caption is the provided caption is designed to engage and informative for TikTok post about an upcoming lash course. So this bit you don't want to be putting in on your post, but what you want to do is click on copy, and then you can paste it directly into your notes, and you can copy and paste it from your phone if you want, or copy and paste it straight onto your TikTok post. So you click on there, and then you go to, I'll come down to notes now, and I'll just post it in there because I keep all of my stuff from my notes. So I'll just click and then edit, paste, and so whenever I need it I can just copy and paste it from there.